Why is my car's airbag warning light illuminated, and how do I reset it? When your car's airbag warning light is illuminated, it's indicating a problem within the vehicle's supplemental restraint system, SRS, which includes the airbags and related components. Ignoring this warning light is not advisable, as it could mean that your airbags may not deploy properly in the event of an accident. In this video, we will discuss the common reasons why the airbag warning light might come on and what steps you can take to reset it. So, before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Common reasons for an illuminated airbag warning light. Faulty sensors. The SRS relies on various sensors located throughout the vehicle to detect a collision or impact. If any of these sensors become damaged, malfunction, or are disconnected, the airbag warning light can activate. Seat belt pretensioner issues. Seat belt pretensioners are components that tighten the seat belts in the event of a collision. Problems with these pretensioners, such as a malfunction or damaged wiring, can trigger the airbag warning light. Airbag module malfunction. The airbag control module is responsible for managing the deployment of the airbags. If it detects a fault or malfunction within the system, it will trigger the airbag warning light. Disconnected or damaged wiring. Wiring connections throughout the SRS can become damaged or disconnected over time, leading to issues with the airbag system. Previous accident. If your vehicle has been involved in a collision and the airbags deployed, the airbag warning light may remain illuminated until the system is inspected and repaired by a qualified technician. How to reset the airbag warning light. Resetting the airbag warning light is not recommended as a DIY task because it may not address the underlying issue and can even be dangerous if done improperly. It's essential to identify and resolve the root cause of the problem rather than simply resetting the warning light. Here are the steps to take. Inspect for visible issues. First, visually inspect the area around the airbag sensors, connectors, and wiring for any obvious signs of damage or loose connections. Be sure to check the wiring under the seats and around the steering column. Check the seat belts. Ensure that the seat belts are functioning correctly and that there are no visible issues with the pretensioners or belt buckles. Consult the vehicle manual. Refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for information about the airbag system and any specific instructions or precautions related to the airbag warning light. Professional inspection. Given the safety implications of the airbag system, it is strongly recommended that you seek the assistance of a qualified automotive technician or mechanic to diagnose and repair the issue. They have the expertise and equipment necessary to properly assess the SRS and address any problems. Repair or replace components. Depending on the diagnosis, the technician will repair or replace the faulty components, such as sensors, wiring, or the airbag module itself. Testing. The technician should perform thorough testing of the SRS to ensure that all components are functioning correctly and that the airbag warning light remains off. Document repairs. Keep records of all repairs and maintenance related to the airbag system for your records. This documentation may be helpful in the future for vehicle history purposes. Important safety considerations. Never attempt to disconnect or tamper with the airbag system yourself. Airbags are designed to deploy rapidly in the event of a collision and can cause injury if mishandled. Always disconnect the vehicle's battery before performing any work on the airbag system to prevent accidental deployment. Do not ignore the illuminated airbag warning light. It's a safety feature designed to protect you in the event of an accident. Driving with a malfunctioning airbag system can put your safety at risk. In conclusion, an illuminated airbag warning light in your car is an important safety indicator that should not be ignored. It signals a problem within the supplemental restraint system, SRS, that requires prompt attention from a qualified automotive technician. Attempting to reset the warning light without addressing the underlying issue is not a recommended solution and may compromise your safety in the event of an accident. Always prioritize safety and seek professional assistance for diagnosing and repairing SRS problems. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.